Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Creative Corner by Varsha. In today's video, we will learn letter H. I'm using the blank paper and will create guidelines. If you want, you can use blank paper or you can create guidelines with me using pencil and ruler. So guys, you can see I have done the guidelines. Now here we will do the basic letter formation. Here we will do the flourishing for lowercase h and here we will do the flourishing for uppercase h. So let's start. I'm starting with an entrance stroke. Then here I will go with my ascending loop like this, and then we will move up and then down. For uppercase H formation, I will draw two lines like this. Now you can draw a thin straight line in center, or you can draw a line like I'm doing. Now moving to the flourished edge. Now I'm stopping here, then again making a ascending loop and then a overturn. Now here I am slowly moving up. You can take a break here and then make overturn. Now the third one is like this. Now I'm doing the fourth one starting with the basic formation, and then I will do the flourishing at the bottom. Now if you want, you can do overlapping here like we have done in other letters. For uppercase H, I am going to use a heart shape, so slowly moving like this. And it is going below my baseline because I am finding this space a little smaller. This is little tricky, so if you want, you can use pencil to get proper heart shape. Next, I will start like this. And here also I am going below the baseline, so I would suggest you to make bigger guidelines. Now let's see the third one. Now the fourth one, which is quite easy. So guys, we are done with letter H here. If you want to learn more letters, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And if you're interested in learning the basics of calligraphy, then I'm sharing the link here. You can check that link and learn the basics. Thank you for watching.